In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trips in WP Travel Engine for 2025, a step-by-step guide to streamline your travel management process. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by setting up new trips, don't worry. This tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, we want to start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This step is essential because it's where you control all the aspects of your website. You'll need to access your dashboard via WPP Engine, which is a common hosting platform for WordPress users. Once you're in, you should see the familiar layout of your dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website activities. Next, navigate to the WP Travel Engine section. Once you're there, click on Trips and then Add New. This is where the magic happens. Here, you're creating a new trip entry from scratch, so make sure you're ready with all the details before you begin. This ensures a smooth and organized setup process. Now think of a catchy and descriptive trip title. For example, you might call it Bali Adventure Tour. A compelling title will not only capture attention, but also give potential travelers a taste of what to expect. After you have your title, it's time to fill in the trip details. This includes the specifics about the trip, such as the itinerary, accommodations, and any activities included. Be as thorough as possible here, as this is where travelers will get their initial impressions. You'll want to provide an overview or description of the trip next. This is like the back cover of a book. It should entice travelers and make them want to sign up. Craft a well-rounded narrative that highlights the unique aspects of the trip. Choose a trip type that best characterizes your package. You might select from options like adventure, family, or leisure. This categorization helps travelers quickly identify what kind of experience they're signing up for. Following this, you select the destination, detailing where the travelers will be going. Enter the duration or itinerary details. This section outlines the full agenda day by day. It's where you elaborate on what the travelers can expect each day, ensuring they know how their time will be spent. Set a clear and competitive price for the trip. Expenses and costs should be transparent to avoid any surprises later. Next is the visual appeal. Add trip images or create a gallery. Vivid images can help travelers visualize themselves enjoying the trip. Move on to configure booking options. Consider the logistics, like the maximum number of travelers you can accommodate, and specify the booking start and end dates. Being clear about availability prevents overbooking and ensures a seamless booking experience. Don't forget to assign categories and tags to your trip. This helps with organization and improves searchability. Finally, once all your information is accurately entered, it's time to click Publish. This final step makes your trip live and ready for the world to see. And there you have it, an easy guide to adding trips in WP Travel Engine. Follow